What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to create a platformer game. So today we're just going to focus on movement, and yeah, let's get into it. So we're going to create an empty game. So here we have to create a scene. So this scene is like the place, the world, I guess you can say. So let's create like a platform where where your character can walk on. So let's go here. Sorry, I'm not good at art, but I'm just gonna make you guys just understand. This is like, I don't know. I'm not even trying. So that's like the grouse. Try to get some dirty color here. Bam, 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 bam. So there we go. I guess that's the platform. So we can call this grass ground or something. And let's add it as a platform. So yeah, guys, all you have to do is just press this and it's a platform. So there we go. We can stretch it out, but it's gonna look weird. We'll just add some all of these. So we're just creating a cheap platform here, just get you guys understand. There we go. So that's it. So let's go create an player. So if you you just create a sprite. Let me show you guys. I'm literally going too fast. So you're gonna go here, create sprite. That's it. Just if you're new to gaming stuff. So let's create. Oh, I'm just gonna joystick, man. Right here. Got stick, man. Animation to stand. Now you're gonna also need a walking animation. So let's just create this guy here. Just create. I'm not good at drawing animations. And just create this guy, make a step there. Line goes like this. And hand goes like this. Let's duplicate that. And then legs goes like this, like this, and this hand comes out like this, and like this go, let's go in, I guess. As I said, I'm not really pretty good at these animations right here. And just duplicate that again, and put this leg forward and this leg back. And let's get the hands all fixed. This hand go there. this hand go here. So yeah, that's my walking animation right there. Alright, so let's loop it. This is make it continue like play over. So this is like a speed, so let's give that 2.3. Oh, that's not really, that's not really flowing, guys. So let's put it, yeah. Oh, he's gonna fast, but let's go with that. We're gonna put this to walk. So let's show you something, guys. If you drop it right here, he just stand up. So let's also give him a behavior like what we did to block and put it on the platform, and platform comes right there. You can give him default control, or you can like just create your own control or him to simulate. I will help you with that, even in case you want to make your own custom simulation. Now as you see right here, he's moving, but when I'm pressing the arrow key, he's moving. But as you can see, he's not like walking and stuff. So we're gonna like fix that. And you see, you can also like if you're not going blocks, the blocks he's fall right now. He's there. So this is the, the event or the action where you can do stuff. So let's create a group and let's put movement, I guess. And or I can just say player movement. So that's it. So you can say when so you're gonna look for a platform, like you make it a platform game. So look for platform behavior, and so when the character is moving, stickman is moving right here. And he's moving. Change the animation. Change stickman animation to what? Then walk. Then walk. Stickman. I guess it was walk. Then let's check here. Yeah, it was walk. So you should name your animation as walk. Now you can see I'm not pressing the key and this guy's still walking, and like it's not turning its head around. He's not doing one of those. So yeah, we're gonna fix that. So you're gonna like you can copy this and say when statement when you press this is like you're inverting it, I guess. So you're gonna say like instead he walks, when you click this he like doesn't walk. So you're gonna say this read like when statement doesn't walk or isn't moving, you're gonna change the animation statement to stand, which I'll name an animation stand. There. So now when he falls, he's not even. So I'm pressing the arrow key now so you can see him right there. Well, as you can see, he's not turning around when I press like the left arrow key, I guess. He's not like turning around. So let's do this. I'm gonna say when let's type up here and say when key when key when key is pressed, like when A is pressed. So let's just copy this and bam. So like boom. When says A key is pressed. So I'm gonna say when A key is pressed, flip the animation horizontally. So again you flip it horizontally and just copy. By and it's gonna instead of saying no, you're gonna say yes. Or so you can say right here. Wait, I did something wrong. I did something wrong. When left key on right. Okay. What am I doing? Wait. And, so you can see that he's running in the different direction of what the keys press. You just spray it. Just change this back to yes, and change this yes back to no. So you guys get it. So you can see, bam, bam, gonna just go jumping over here, bam, bang, boom. So that's it, guys. And please subscribe, like, yeah.